What you gonna do? Hey. You stuck? Are you holding on for dear life? Look at those crossed legs. Look at you. Hello. What now? Sarah. Hi. Hi, Vincent. What's she gonna do? What you gonna do? How you gonna get down from there? What now? Oh, good one. Good girl. Following the style.